Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? Looks like the season is changing, right? It's too rainy out here, but it's all good. Well, today I wanted to read to you Bloom Where You're Planted. This particular poem was inspired by the fact that you can grow and become the best where you've been planted. Planted meaning you have to find your place. You have to find where it's fertile for you. And it doesn't necessarily mean it has to be maybe your home where you're originally born, or it's just a feeling where you know, okay, if I'm in this place, it's healthy, it nurtures me, and I naturally, with little effort, you bloom into something, you know. Because sometimes we stay in places that are very toxic, and whatever you do, you can never bloom there. Supposing if it's a workplace where you're not celebrated, or if it's a home where things are not right, it's hard to bloom there because they don't need you, they don't want you, everything about it is negative. So, bloom where you're planted. Effortless is the ground on which your seeds flourish. Nurtured is a soul settled in the right place at the right time. Gifts blooming, heart throbbing on the grounds that you call home, fully supported by the divine as a display of his magnificence. Bloom where you're planted. The seasons will come and go. The cycles will evolve around your greatness, all in support of you. Off season will not be your reality, as the seasons will sprout, as your seeds will sprout in all seasons. Bloom where you're planted. The thirst will be quenched, the wounds will be healed, the broken heart will be mended. Streams of joy will flow to meet you at every point in your life's journey. Bloom where you're planted. That's for sure. You won't have a dry season when you're in the right place where you're planted, and everything around it will be celebrating you. As always, this is Keroy reading from Divine Soul Whispers. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.